friends, happy Friday. Thank you for joining me. Well, unfortunately, I have a change in plans today. I was getting ready to film and my husband said, sorry, we have to go to Pittsburgh. And I'm like, why? And I didn't share this, but my daughter was in a car accident a few weeks ago. She was rear-ended in Pittsburgh and we had to send it to the shop. And so the shop said, you have to pick it up today. And so I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I had planned on doing a dining room decorate with me for summer, which I think turned out fabulous. I love it. And I have to share this because my daughter came over yesterday and I had been piddling around the house all day yesterday, deep cleaning, organizing, taking all the stuff that was lemon themed out to the garage, putting it on my storage shelves. And then I was bringing in all the coastal and oh my gosh, I had so much fun. I was cranking the tunes and decorating and just having so much fun. And so anyway, my daughter popped over last night and she walked in and she was like, Mom, I love what you did. She said, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in the Outer Banks, one of the beach houses at the Outer Banks. And I said, oh, really? And she said, yes. And I said, that is the biggest compliment because I love those homes. I love the coastal feels. It's so soothing and calming for summer. I just love it. And so last night, as I'm walking around, I am loving the color change. Absolutely loving it, you guys. So I have 30 minutes, what to do. So I was thinking, I have had several of you say, Liz, how do you piece your items together? How do you do it? I go to the stores and I'm sort of like all over the place. I don't know where to start. I don't know how to pull items together. How do you do it? So I thought in the 30 minutes I have, I'm gonna show you a teeny tiny haul of some items that I got from Marshall's, Amazon, of course. I'm gonna show you how it all starts with an inspiration piece and how my mind works. How do I start pulling in those colors to make it all look cohesive? So that's what we're gonna do today. I might throw in some of my favorite summer tank tops. And this is a tank top I bought last year. It's like got little ruffles right here. I don't show my arms. And then I've got my favorite, of course, lightweight, perfect cardigan for summer, 3/4 inch length sleeves. And I'm all set for Memorial Day weekend. I have another shirt I'm gonna show you too. So I love this tank top. It's flowy, it's comfortable, it's lightweight, perfect. And then I have this one that is so cute for Memorial Day, 4th of July. So if you like this, you might wanna get one. You can pair it with a white cardigan, red cardigan, blue cardigan, or don't wear one at all. Just, wear a tank top. Or pair it with a red cardigan. I have this tank top, which I think is darling, and it's super cute. And then I always like these lightweight leather earrings. You get like 13 pairs, I believe. You get a lot, and they come in all different colors. So you always have a pair to go with whatever you wanna wear. Now on to the decor. I already shared this beautiful canvas piece with you on Wednesday's video. So if you missed that, by all means, check it out. But anyway, I find an inspiration piece and then I try to pull in colors that I think would look really nice with this. So I'm gonna share this canvas piece because several of my other canvas pieces have similar colors. So we're just gonna go with this one. Here's this piece. And then I went on Amazon to find floral pieces that I think would accentuate this piece and make it look really pretty. So if I have this hanging on a wall or sitting on a shelf, perhaps in a corner, I can have a beautiful vase that pulls in those colors and brings that pop to a different area of the room. So I've already shared these. I think I shared these when I was in Pittsburgh, but I love them so much. I just got 2 more packs. And in each box, you get 3 stems. And they are so beautiful, so beautiful. And they're beautiful all on their own, but if you want it to look more big and substantial, you can go in with these picks right here. I get them on Amazon and it really packs a punch. But these are beautiful and I'm going to be decorating with these next week, but check them out. I'll link them below for you. I was looking for some canvas pieces that I could place in little corners of my house, again, to pull in those cool, beachy, coastal colors, but with a pop, you know? So I came across these. They had great reviews, so I got two. So there's this little canvas piece. Look how pretty the colors are. And it's great quality. And the way I'm choosing to display this is in an easel or a plate stand. And then I'm just kind of sitting it off in the corner somewhere and then adding, you know, a beautiful coastal candle, a seashell, a bowl with seashells, things like that. And it looks so pretty. And then I found this piece. Don't you wish we could just snap our fingers and morph right into that hammock? I wish I could, but isn't that pretty? And actually with this one, I'm setting it up on a wall shelf. And it's just, like I said, subtle ways to pull in that pop of blue and green and teal and the sandy color. It's just really pretty. So I'm going for a certain look in my dining room. By the way, I am obsessed with plates right now. Marshall's online has some really great plates. And so when I saw these, I thought, oh, that's what I'm looking for. So anyway, these are melamine plates. They're great quality, but it's basically sea life in the plates. But look at the colors. And look how well it goes with this painting, right? So we might sell these on Wayfair too. I can't remember. If they do, I'll put it in the products link, our left-hand corner of this video. Just click on that and it should take you right to the link. I thought I saw them on Wayfair. I think they come in a set of 4, and if I remember correctly, I bought 2 packs, but I love these. So anyway, for some of my displays, I'm going with melamine plates. It's summertime and I want things that are fast and easy. And let's just face it, I'm not gonna spend $129 for a dish set. I think that is absolutely ridiculous. So when all else fails, melamine. But what I got to go with these melamine plates is this seashell melamine plate. And I'm telling you, it looks so good the way I have it styled on the dining room table. So that will be coming next week, but these are super cute. If you're adding blue or green to your house for summer, I came across this beautiful wreath on Amazon and I liked it so much, I bought 2, and then I have another one coming today and it looks like this. So I can't wait to get that. You can do a lot with these. So anyway, super cute, great quality. And then I got this big, beautiful glass vase. It almost looks crackled on the bottom. And look how pretty that looks together. Okay, I was at, let's see, where was I? I was at HOMEGOODS and I came across these melamine plates. They're by NAUTICA and they were $9.99 for a 4-pack. So I got 2. Aren't these cute for Memorial Day, 4th of July? I just think they are so cute. And I was thinking, well, what am I gonna use to put on top? And so I found a set of these plates and I thought, doesn't that look cute together? I can't wait to do a tablescape with these. These plates, they're all a little different. But how cute would the tablescape look with all different salad plates? I shared this riser the other day. I love it so much, I got another one. So super cute. It's white wood, the top is brown. It's a little distressed on the edges, but I love this. I got these big, beautiful candle holders on Amazon. These are the 3 sizes, but you can see they're really big. And then instead of adding the flameless flickering candles or a topiary ball, I have decided to go in with these beautiful candles. They smell so good, so good. I will obviously take the lid off, but I got 3 of these and I'm gonna be placing them on top. And when the candle is burning through the glass, it just looks so pretty. So pretty. And when you have a set of 3 of these, it looks gorgeous, just gorgeous. And my friend Summer here got a new outfit. Look how cute this is. I need to get the steamer out, but it's so cute. Look at the bow in the back. I'm gonna share 2 items I just purchased from Walmart right here. Here's the first one. And here's the second one. So cute. I believe they're for outdoor entertaining, but I'm using mine indoors. And I was playing with these items yesterday and they look so cute. You'll have to wait till next week to see it. So I am loving this pillow cover with all my decor. And I'm going to throw in a very strong pop of color with this. I'm probably gonna throw in 2 pillows in this color with this. So anyway, this is kind of random. For Mother's Day, my daughter got me this perfume, and a little backstory on this perfume. We were at this high-end boutique in Pittsburgh. I asked the lady that worked there if this was a good perfume. And she said, ma'am, that is our top seller. And I said, oh, really? And so she had a tester and I smelled it. I loved the scent. I loved it so much. So I bought it for my daughter. And every time she comes around me, I'm like, oh, you smell so good. What are you wearing? She goes, Mom, it's that perfume you got me. And I said, I'm gonna have to get myself some. So anyway, she surprised me on Mother's Day with a bottle of my own. And anyway, I want to show you. It smells so good. I wore it the other day and I sprayed it in my hair and I was like walking around all day and I kept going, gosh, it smells so good. But anyway, when you open it up, it comes in a little cute bag with drawstrings and it has some little packing material right here. Super cute. And here's the perfume. It says amber. It smells so good. I don't know anything about this perfume, but fun fact, I was doing a grocery order delivery online from Whole Foods, and as I was scrolling through, I noticed that they sell this perfume. So if you're near a Whole Foods, pick yourself up some of this. It smells really good. This is random as well, but I thought I would share. So many of you have said, Liz, how do you keep your hair so shiny? And I'm like, honestly, I don't know. Thank you for saying that. But anyway, I now know what is making my hair shiny. So when my daughter came up to Pittsburgh, the last time we were there, she said, Mom, I forgot my hot iron. Do you have one? And I said, yes, I do. It's in my drawer. So she ran and got it. And the whole weekend she was there, I never saw my hot iron. I'm like, where'd my hot iron go? She was obsessed with this hot iron. So I was like, girl, I want my hot iron back. I need it. And so she brought it to me and she goes, Mom, I need one of these. And I said, why? She goes, this hot iron makes my dry hair so shiny. And so I'm like, let me see. So she was turning around and I was looking at her hair and I'm like, well, my goodness, your hair does look super shiny. And her hair had been looking a little dry. And so anyway, so I ended up getting her one because she loved it so much. Now that I have my hair highlighted, my ends are really dry. You know, up here's not too bad, but down here's getting kind of dry. But I will tell you, does it look dry? No. This actually makes dry hair look amazing because it's not turned on. But I don't know, there's something with this that makes your hair look shiny when you're done. I don't know, it just does. You guys need to get one for yourself. If you don't have one, you will see a major difference. And now all my daughters want one of these. All right, friends, I just want to remind you that the Amazon Memorial Day deals are wrapping up. I'll be sure to link some of my storefronts down in the description box. I see things highlighted with big savings. All right, friends, have a fabulous weekend. I will see you back here next week. We will be doing the dining room. It's gonna be so fun. And do you guys remember I used to decorate with Edison lights at my old house with the big staircase? Well, I'm bringing those back for a fun summer look. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. I'll see you back here next week.